Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open your Notion page and make sure it's shareable because embeds need access. Then go to Indify and choose a widget that solves a need. Calendar or clock speeds up scheduling. Customize basic settings like time zone and format and copy the provided embed link or iframe. Once done, switch back to Notion and prepare to paste the embed directly into the page. This gets you past setup friction and into actual layout work immediately. Now you configure the core. In Indify, fine-tune appearance, size, color, and 12/24-hour or time zone so the widget matches your workspace. Copy the final embed URL, go to Notion, use /embed and paste the link. Make sure to press enter so Notion resolves the widget. Resize the embed block and use Notion's column drag to align multiple widgets. Make sure to test interactions, because some widgets need click to focus. Once arranged, finish by polishing spacing, column widths, and visual hierarchy so the page reads quickly. Save theme presets in Indify when you're happy, so future pages load fast and stay consistent. Make sure mobile responsiveness looks good by previewing on a phone. If a widget fails to load, first recopy the embed link and repaste. Then confirm the Notion page is public or shared to the right people. If problems persist, clear browser cache and reload. This fixes most stale embed issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.